Hey, you guys, we're here with our fourth to last reaction video for today. And of course, this is a Baekhyun. This man stay throwing out music. He like Taemin. They just come back with a comeback every time, every other month.
Oh yeah, Taemin is supposed to have a comeback.
I swear, this man been avoiding military service since the beginning of time. Man said, "Nah, I'm about to throw out every song I got on the market, and y'all gonna hear it today."
Y'all gonna hear it.
we ain't complaining though, because we love his music. Yes, Bambi. I don't know what that means, but from the thumbnail, it looked like it's gonna be kind of like a Michael Jackson inspired thing with the suits and the hats and everything, or maybe a more modern, clean version of Kai. Hill song. I don't know.
This song is V-Live. Just randomly too.
Yeah, he was on V-Live.
What the heck?
This video rated 15, by the way. I don't know what that means, but I'm kind of scared. Let me put on captions. Hold up, wait, man, hold up. Yep.
Alright. That's actually being one with the captions though.
Yes. He got an album, but we're not gonna do a first listen to it. We're just gonna tell you guys how we feel about it on social media. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to Bambi. Well, I'm about to say feature Baekhyun with Baekhyun. Lord. 5, 4, 3, 2, and oh,
That's bro.
oh,
We about to ball it back.
Cocoa ball. Wait a minute.
About the cocoa ball back.
Dora? What Dora?
Okay. Oh, by the way, he said he edited this video.
He would. He still got a baby face. Sir,
Hey,
a train is coming.
Hey.
Sir.
Oh, baby.
Is it like baby, but it's like, I don't know. Baby? Bambi the deer? The moon? Okay, come on, let's move. I turn it up like that.
Look at this backpack.
Oh, people forget that. Baekhyun can dance too. See, he be creeping up too sometimes. I don't appreciate it.
It's that torture.
He what's his name, Daddy?
Oh,
I'm flirting. Yeah. Jamie Daddy.
Old school?
That's a black man.
Old school?
Excuse me? This is Kai's Baekhyun version.
Or jazzy version.
Oh, I'm sorry. All this happened on the train. Wait, did he get on the train?
Oh yeah.
So the train must be still.
Oh.
I want to live in this fairy tale called you. Sometimes I wonder if you feel. Take a bell.
It's the band, you know. Oh.
Bell like that. Okay. Okay. The long ponytails. I had to jump. I'm so sorry. This man here get on my nerves. I can't. No. See, he know that he. No. Okay, I'm sorry. Baekhyun, that is dangerous.
Oh, you forgot what kind of person this man is?
Living on the edge. Yep, see that? He a Taurus, I think.
Yep, he is.
Dang, his high note was that.
That's how it be.
This man on top of the train. You know what? Hey, that's that SM train.
So that's where that train came from. This train gonna follow down everywhere. I can't stand you.
So that train go to Neverland?
Baby. Ooh. Yeah,
keep his tempo. Please, sir, this is not, don't mess up my tempo. Hope the sun doesn't ride while you mind. Makes me want to stay asleep.
Shut up!
Sir.
You went up on the SM train?
Sir. The man ended up on the SM train.
Nah, man,
this train is following everybody. Get on the SM train. Get it? Get on our train.
Basically.
Everybody hop on the SM train.
Wow. We went to Uno Village.
I was fine until you did that one move and that called me
Candy to Bambi.
Girl, I'm your candy. And then I transitioned to Bambi.
On my nerves.
Here I am. Mr. Baekhyun.
Kill my nerves.
Sir. So that
How
is
you made
Jamin's
a childhood movie sexy?
What you mean how? I think he the sexy king. He is, but don't tell him that.
Yeah,
okay,
no,
don't boost his ego. Please don't. That's Jamin from Institute Dream. That's his daddy. We call him on flirt because that's all he do is flirt. And this man think he just.
Oh, I tell you, I'm so crazy about him.
Yeah, he gonna say it. I seen that video yesterday.
Yeah.
Tell him like, well,
bitch, you obsessed about me.
It is what it is. That's what I'm saying. People like that get on my nerves. You want to punch them because they telling the truth, but you don't want to admit it. That song there.
Wow.
I'm scared for the rest of the album.
He said he edited the video himself.
Well, he did a darn good time. You know, yeah.
No, that body roll. Wow.
That can get on my nerves. I can't. He's
that all these
guy that you don't want to admit that you like. Cause he give you like that brother kind of vibe in a way. Like at first. But then he be throwing, he be flirting with you on the low. Not on the low, cause this man just bold with it. But you don't want to like him, but you like him.
Yeah. Not
in the way saying that, you know, he's not likable. But I'm just saying like him in the sense of having a crush. Even though you have a crush.
But he's so doggone freaking goofy.
Yeah, he's goofy with it, but also flirty at the same time. So you just like,
dog.
Like I said, his version of Kai's.
Yes.
And both versions, both are masterpieces. This here was everything and more.
It's like She's My Lady, but
yeah. Oh, She's My Lady. If you don't know, babe, don't say back. Baekhyun.
Like, I'm gonna make y'all remember me while
I'm scared for. Dio released something this year. I'm gonna cry.
Oh, this is about baby. Baby.
I'm looking forward to listening to his album thing.
Because that was disrespectful to the
and his lyrics, his Japanese songs.
I'm not surprised.
On a whole nother level. Here was PG-15. Japanese. Whole nother ball. Oh yeah, I like the concept a lot. I like how basically they was on some train to Neverland, and the man was on the Polar Express train. I don't know what Polar Express that was. His vocals was it blew out the power for a minute. You know, on the way there, but you know,
is that why he was stuck in the tunnel?
Yeah, I think so. He had to get off the train for a minute, make a stop. Do it for Little Saint in the rain real quick, and then hop on back on the train to Polar Express. You know what? I just like the whole concept. Yeah. The saute dance, the sexy dance, the concept, the clothes, everything. Back here, give you your coins, your credit, everything. Thank you for making another bop that I could jam to.
And all his albums.
Yes.
Classic masterpieces.
Yes.
I got the first two albums.
Yes. I had to get that third one. I had to get a poster put up here somewhere. That was our reaction to Baekhyun's Bambi. Anyway. If your song, let us know what you guys' thoughts. You guys certainly, you know, can tell how we felt about it, but I can't even speak no more. Wow. We'll see you guys, and if we don't add another video, because chances are we are. Yeah. Just see. I can't say no more.
Bye. Bye.